Herbs, referred to as Vanaspati, are available aplenty owing to the geographical vastness of this country and the wide spectrum of biodiversity. Ayurveda, the ancient wisdom of healthcare, extensively makes use of these herbo-minerals to cure ailments. Since ages, Ayurveda has come to the rescue of those in pain, freeing them from suffering. Ayurveda is not only about cure, it's more about ensuring that everyone stays in the pink of health. This ancient science of health is today widely accepted, not only in India, but across the world. Ayukalp, an enterprise with long-running experience and expertise, is thoroughly dedicated to this wisdom of Ayurveda. Ras Vaidya Shri Nagin Das Chhaganlal Shah set up a pharmacy back in 1894 to employ the age-old practices of Ayurveda for the betterment and welfare of people. His book, Bharat Bheshajya Ratnakar, is an acclaimed text, referred to and studied as part of academic curriculums. Carrying forward the legacy, Ayukalp today is a well-established company, fusing modern technology with ancient knowledge. Tablets, churn and syrups are prepared and packed in adherence to the hygienic conditions and methods prescribed under ISO certification. Ayukalp, for its highest professional standards, is a ISO 9001 GMP certified company. Latest technological advancements in the area are initiated, implemented and maintained throughout the process of production and manufacturing of the medicinal products. This, though, without compromising with the traditionally prescribed methods of medicinal compositions mentioned and authenticated by the ancient Ayurvedic texts. At Ayukalp, emphasis is on using the purest of raw herbs and minerals available. Those of the highest quality are sorted out for use. These are checked and approved by highly experienced and expert professionals at Ayukalp, including by the Managing Director, Dr. Kuntal Shah, who holds a BAMS degree and has been an Ayurveda practitioner for a decade. Guided by the immense knowledge inherited by Chairman Shri Nitin Bhai Shah from Ras Vaidya, Ayukalp has been playing a pivotal role in further development and exploration of Ayurveda by encouraging research and development. Ayukalp offers a wide spectrum of 400 different products for better health and a long life. The packaging and dispatch of all products is also done through advanced technology. The dispatch department has an extensive and well-organized network to supply products throughout the country and abroad. The company also owns storage houses to safely store and preserve large stocks of medicinal products. As every product is released in the market, samples are stored for record and reference, as well as for future studies. The staff at every level in several departments put at work their knowledge, expertise and efficiency to ensure that every product produced and released is of the highest quality. Cooperation, togetherness and the spirit of teamwork among professionals is key to the immense progress and success of the company. Ayukalp has been tirelessly striving to make Ayurveda accessible to everyone, even in the remotest places of the world. The contribution of Ayukalp has been lauded and appreciated by many. The achievement, though, lies in propagating and promoting this unparalleled wisdom of healthcare. The motto is to dedicate Ayurveda to the service of humanity through knowledge, commitment and strength of vision. Ayukalp, a life consecrated to Ayurveda.